This video will walk you through the installation process for NewTechWood's aluminum railing system. To complete this project, you'll need a hacksaw or metal cutting saw, a drill, screwdrivers, brackets, rubber mallet, glue, and a measuring tape. For materials, you'll need your post kits, panel kits, brackets kits, and the fasteners that are included. This first part of the training will focus on the straight railing installations. To get started, measure and locate all the posts. These are the measurements for the 42-inch high railing. Choose your appropriate fasteners to fasten your posts according to local building codes. Make sure the posts are plumb, and use the provided shims to adjust vertically if needed. Note that the internal spacing between posts is 72 inches or 96 inches if full sections are used. Next, we'll install the top and bottom brackets. You want the bottom edge of your bottom bracket to be 2 1/8 inches above the surface of the base plate. And you want the bottom edge of your top bracket to be 33 5/16 inches above the base plate to result in a railing height that will be 36 inches. Use a pencil to mark the position of the brackets. You'll want to pre-drill your hole, then install the brackets using the provided number 10 1-inch panhead screws. Next, install the bottom rail support connector. To do this, mark the position. For a 72-inch railing, the position should be in the middle of the bottom rail. You'll install those bottom rail support connectors with a number 10 1-inch screw. You can follow the same steps to install the bottom support connectors on a 96-inch railing. For shorter sections, trim the top and bottom rails to length for the bracket to fit between the rail and the post. Next, we're going to install the pre-assembled panels to the brackets. Insert the bracket cover into the ends of the rail. Then set the top and bottom rail into the brackets. Secure the bracket to the rail using two number 8 3/4-inch flathead self-drilling screws. Simply slide in the bottom rail support. Finally, we're going to install the post-trim pieces using the glue that came with the kit and a rubber mallet. This concludes our NewTechWood aluminum railing installation training. Thank you for your purchase of this NewTechWood product.